Ah, oh, oh, good, good. She's not here. There's nobody around. Oh, all right, all right. Hey, folks. It's me, Audrey. And I'm here to show you some hideous mutant slime experiments that I'm done. So I got to get my stuff together first. Let's see what we got here. Oh, these guys are always getting in here. Let's see. Oh, I need a flask. I need some eyeballs because it's going to be hideous mutant eyeball slime. I'm going to need some. Oh, oh, it's Yorick. Oh, yeah, I knew him once. Oh, let's see what else. Oh, got to get some more labware in here. And let's see. Oh, poison. Don't try this at home, okay, kids, unless you are actually registered with the American Academy of Mad Science. Okay, so I think I've got all my stuff together. So let's get to making slime. With this slime, I will rule the world. You guys watching, I know I can trust you guys. Don't tell Christine about my plans of world domination. It'll just cause problems. Just don't mention that. Anyway, here. Ooh. This is just as hideously mutated as I would hope it would be. But it's not enough. I have to try another experiment. Ah! Okay, now for my next experiment, I'm going to use some ancient Mayan gems that I got in Mexico. They're right here. See, the flaw of the other slime is that it doesn't glow in the dark, so we got to have some ones that glow in the dark. So I got these ancient Mayan gems. They were at a Dollar Tree in Mexico, and I am going to, sorry, it was from a Mayan magician in Mexico. And I'm going to charge them up with my special photon beam. And we'll see how they work in slime and see if we can get a slime to glow. If we have, then my life's work will be complete and I will rule the world. Oh, sorry. Oh, and you know, about the hair, I'm had a little accident last night, electrical accident. I mean, the things we go through for mad science, you know, sacrifices are necessary for progress to march on, at least in the field of mad science. Okay, so let's get to making slime. Okay, here is the finished slime. Now I had to really do a lot of charging up for it, and so now it's gotten a little dried out, I think. So I'm going to add some of my magic hair gel ingredient here to loosen it up here a little bit. So let's do that. Ooh. All right. This is my favorite part, getting all slimy. Oh, the gems are falling out. Let's soften it up here. Hopefully they'll go back in. Let's see what I got there. Oh yeah, here we go. Okay. Ooh. It's starting to stretch. But all of the jewels are coming out. Here we go. Now we've got some slime here. All right. Oh! But this doesn't, okay, this doesn't answer the big question. The big question is, will it glow? So we gotta see if it will glow. Let's get all the jewels in here, and we'll go turn off the light and we'll see if it glows. Ah ha ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha. Oh, there you see? It glows. Glowing evil slime. With it, I will take over the world. Ooh. If I can get the jewels to stay in it. Ah. Okay, if you like my hideously evil experiments, be sure to click like, and I will perform more. No matter what Christine says, I will perform more, and I will film them for you guys. So just like and subscribe and comment, and that'll be what'll keep me going. Thanks for watching, folks, and as usual, go out and create hideous mutant slimes.